we are gonna expand our existing modular camera system with our 30-meter camera wheel, which is equipped with a 30-meter push cable with a diameter of 9.5 millimeter, a built-in sonde for easy location, and a very flexible head, which allows working in 45 and 90-degree bends, as well as a 25 millimeter HD self-leveling camera head, which provides razor-sharp images, like you can see in this demonstration. For easy transport, it comes with a shoulder strap, but for improved comfort, you can easily attach here a backpack strap as well. The 30-meter camera wheel works exact like the previous cameras we already have in the range. So you have to attach the Smart Hub, which is equipped with 500 gigabytes of storage. And thanks to the Wi-Fi, we can easily connect here our monitor, a tablet, or a smartphone with our Milwaukee Pipeline app.